Hello, good day and welcome. Today we'll be dealing with Biology Past Question 2019, Question 8. Anaerobic respiration in the organism illustrated in the diagram below produces carbon dioxide and what? Now, A, it says ethanol, B, water, C, oxygen, D, glucose. Whenever you are given a question, firstly, you choose, you identify the diagram. Now, this diagram is a diagram of a yeast. Now this is the yeast diagram. Now the keyword here is anaerobic respiration. Now anaerobic respiration refers to respiration in the absence of oxygen. Now under adverse conditions, yeast respires in the absence of oxygen. Now when the yeast respires, we have the following chemical reaction: C6H12O6 in the absence of oxygen gives you C2H5OH and CO2 with 2 ATP of energy. Now C2H5OH is called ethanol. Now from the question, you are asked for the product of the respiration of yeast, the anaerobic respiration of yeast. Now they said carbon dioxide and ethanol, so your answer here should be A is the correct answer to this question, ethanol. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.